All right, we got a Honda Ridgeline here. We gotta take the cap off, the bed cap. So you see, literally just slides off. So I'll tell you what to do. So imagine it's on here. Imagine it's on there. Take this cap right here. Take this cap off. And underneath there is a Phillips head screw. This, you just unscrew it, and then what you do, you slide it this way and you wiggle it like that as you slide it, and it comes right off easily. And then you take each one of these clips, you just take them off like that, like I did there, and you just slide them back into here. Pretty easy to do. So what we have here is a couple dents. There. I'll put the light on here so you can see. Little baby dent. There. These two here. And then the last one, those two. Actually, there's 4 of them right there. Actually, 6 of them. But this was the only dent the customer asked us to repair. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix all of them since it's pretty simple to do. And then we have the one that's gonna be the star of the video, this dent. As you can see, this is the dent that we're gonna be showcasing today. Yeah, that's the dent. You can see it's buckled out a little bit here. Put a light on it now. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Oh, a little dent there. So, got the high crown here. Got the nice little deep. It's a Honda Ridgeline truck. A tree branch fell in this. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thanks for watching. Today's video is a 2020 Honda Ridgeline truck. We have several dents here on the bedside. We took the rail cap off. We're going to push those out from the outside. But the star of today's video is this dent on the left rail. What we're going to do is start it off with some glue pulling, relieve some of the tension, and hit down the crowning. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and as always, have a great day.
think you're going to be here for another hour?
Yeah.
Okay, because I got to take her to school, and then I'll be back.
Sounds good.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We got this. We're going to use some tabs. We're going to use, let's see, we're going to use this little green one here. We're going to use this little guy here. Let's see. And then, no, I don't need that. I'm on a soft pull, so I'll probably use this gray one here. Start it off to see what it looks like. We're going to use these 3 tabs, and I have this little cheap bottle here with a magnet inside of it. See if you can see the magnet. Yeah, there it is. Full of denatured alcohol. And I put my glue in here when I'm finished so I don't throw it on the ground. And we're going to use it to get this little dent, the one that's right here. And I'm going to pair it with a very small Kiko robo lifter. The feet are swivel. I'm going to use this. And we're going to use our heat gun torch. Let's do this. Okay. Denatured alcohol, clean the panel off really very well. That way the glue sticks. Okay. Start off with this little gray tab here. get all the condensation off the panel so the moisture doesn't prevent the glue from sticking. Keep my glue tab up, just get the condensation off. And what we're using is our tab weld. Just a little bit, that's all you need. Just place it on there. And I wanted to do is just a soft pull, so what I'm going to do is use the slide hammer, the light one. Just do a very slight pull. That should move quite a bit. Considered it was a shallow dent. Not much. Try one more time. Put a little bit of heat on it. Okay. Oh yeah, that was a very good pull. And boom. So now we got a nice little pit, high spot. We'll just tap that down and blend out we're gonna tap this down and then we'll blend out these areas here. Once we tap this down, and it should be good to go. So, let's get it on. Let's see a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so now that we have all these dents completely removed, we're going to put the trim panel back on, and now we're going to go start the repair on the rail. Okay, so we're getting ready to start the repair on this dent. Got the mirror. I'm just gonna kind of push it out of the way. And the dent is going this way. So what I'm probably gonna do is use a crease tab. Well, I am going to use a crease tab. And I'm gonna put a fair amount of hot glue on there and pull it before it cures. I want it to still be spongy when I pull it. That way, it's called a wet pull, and it'll shock the metal and pull a lot of it and hopefully get this crown to release when I pull that up. There's no buckling or dent on this side of it, so I don't need to take this trim off. If there was buckling or anything on the edge of the rail here, you would need to take this trim off and dolly that back into place. Otherwise, the dent will never come out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to use this gangrene crease tab. It's a CT51, and you can see it's got a narrow profile. And I'm going to just place it on there with a fair amount of glue, and I'm just going to bump it a couple times. I'm not going to yank it. I want to make sure the panel is nice and warm. Prevent pooling of the paint, and to prevent cracking of the paint, and promotes adhesion for the glue and the tab on the panel. Also going to hit this a little bit, just get any kind of moisture off that. Zap it. Clean it off really well, that denatured alcohol. Now I'm going to put quite a bit on here because we're going to do a wet pull. I don't want to push it all the way down. I want there to be a nice thickness between the a nice amount of glue between the tab and here, so it'll be spongy when I pull it. Let's touch the glue. It's still wet, so I'll wait just a little bit longer. Okay, that's good. It's a little spongy. Now we're going to go for the pull. Looks pretty good. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, heat it back up. You heat the glue back up, and then we'll get a nice hard pull out of it. I do this a lot when I'm doing on the Hell Trail and rails, especially on really deep dents. Spray it. There we go. Nice hard pull, and then that was a good pull. That's exactly what I wanted. It kind of stuck as I pulled it, which is exactly what I wanted. Okay. That's beautiful. Oh man, look how much of that came out. Actually beautiful. So you can see. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So next thing I'm going to do is put a little square locket tab right in here, and I'm going to pull that up, and then I'm going to tap this crown down after that. Is this too big? Yeah, that's too big. Well, no, wait. We'll go with the small one. Yeah. So you can get these tabs at Black Plague PDR or deadrattabs.com. They're about $5 each. I've had this same exact one since 2016, so for 6 years straight, and I have used these nonstop. I mean, that's how great these are. They're amazing tabs. So for this one, we're going to put just a little bit of glue, not a whole lot, because I actually want to pull this one up. And you can use a mini lifter if you like, but I'm going to use a slide hammer for this repair. Okay. These are just light pulls, feel the metal out, and then I'm going to hard pull it now. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm going to take my hammer and I'm going to release that crown as much as I can and then go for some more pulling. Here as well. Small crease tab. gangrene, hell tab.
How's it going?
Good, very good.
Cool.
Got the bedside done and working on the rail here. Yep, pretty nasty little dent. Caused a little imperfection here as well whenever that tree branch hit it. We got it.
I just saw that big one, and it wasn't really that big. Like I said, I'll have to show you the picture of Pixie. He doesn't need your help. She loves to come out here and get in the window.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Hey.
No, it's not. Check this cat out. She's got 7 toes.
7 toes
Yeah,
on each.
she's-
Oh my
front
gosh.
paws. Yeah, she's a freaking monster.
What in the world?
She's a sweetie though.
She's 28 toer.
Yeah.
Well,
She said no. Alright.
well, I'm here, so whenever
Okay.
you're ready.
Sounds good.
So, and you said something like 579.
Yeah, 5 something. I don't remember, but I have it on my software.
I'll
It's in the email too.
do it for 600. I'll just give you the 600.
Okay, cool.
So-
I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Where did you come from, Raleigh?
Yeah, North Raleigh. Yeah.
So good grief.
Yeah, it's not. Yesterday I drove all the way to Southern Pines and that was an hour and 45 minutes. So this wasn't that bad.
Well, appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Black Plague 20 gangrene hill tab. This was pretty decent. I like this one. Let's see if we can get this to move up. Do a little wet pull on that. Yeah. We'll use the same tab on the other side of the dent. There you go. Black Plague crease tab game. Put this thing on there. I 100% forgot to push record. So my bad. Probably missed about 5 minutes worth of blue pulling. We use crease tabs here. My bad. still working. I got it about 85% of the way out. It's almost done.
That's pretty good to me. What are the lights for? Is that just so you can see, or is that doing something?
Yeah, the lights just allow me to see what I'm doing.
Okay. Gives
Yeah.
you different angles and stuff?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, very difficult to see the dent without the light. And you put the light on there, you can see every little imperfection.
So if you were outside, it probably wouldn't need all that stuff, right? I just figured
yeah.
it'd be a little more comfortable working here. Of course, it's still freaking freezing out here.
Yeah, it is still warmer in here than out there.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Okay, well, just knock on the door when you're ready.
Okay.
I just wanted to check on you.
Yeah. Oh well. Just I got it. So.
Cool.
Yeah, that's terrible that it hit your truck. Like you said, if the thing didn't hit you.
Yeah, I mean, I literally, it was probably 20 seconds. I had just walked away, and I was trying to get in this garage because this storm was coming, and I parked under this freaking tree, and I just sat there and went, and watched this thing fall on my truck, and just was like, then I hear about another problem they had. A branch fell and cut one of their cars in half.
Holy
Not in the same spot, but in a place very similar to where I was parked. Well, every time I go back there now, I park like way out.
No kidding. Holy smokes, I would too.
Yeah. All right, kids, knock on the door.
All right, thank you.
Do you need some water or anything?
I got some right there. Thank you though. Okay, so we got a major portion of this repair complete. Take a look at it. We got a little bit more glue pulling and finessing, but it's coming out quite nicely and I'm satisfied so far. Take a look. Look at that dent, it's completely gone. I'm just kidding. There it is right there. Still got a little bit of crowning on the edges. We got to release that.